I walk the road when I release my day. The road that knows about my petty little past. I grab one note and put it in my pocket with your birds. I walked the road until I came close to your house. Your house was floating on my water. I asked one tree and tree to take me in to your house. I took all your bills and I smashed them in my pocket. Oh. And then I got its futures open and made myself a beautiful dress. In your basement was a letter to myself. You wrote it when we were married. I took this note and put it in my mood with your words. And I took all your words and I ate them beautiful. And then I drew the page up and I made myself a beauty.